Hi guys, the 1 hour ended much before I realized that it would, and um, we'll get on with it again. The session is over. Now, if there are any questions that you guys want to ask, that we'll answer. Before that, I've got a question to ask Randeep, so that will start it. After that, please you can ask questions, and I can ask him or me, whoever. Um, that's what it is. We are waiting for Randeep to come back on and join. Um, so Vagesh Goyal, thank you for this wonderful thing. Thank you for being here. And yes, in Nature's Lab, we have saved the live chat. It's on IGTV. You can get it there. I wanted to. We wanted that we should present to you what actors and directors actually do, and this is what we did. Nikki Khandelwal, great session. Thank you, Nikki Khandelwal, for doing this. Angry Young Man loved Harry Met Sejal. Well, it takes all kinds to make this world. Yeah, great. Hello, Randeep is here. And go live with Randeep. That's what I've done. Thank you. Waiting for Randeep to come back. Come in. Yes, sir. Sorry for that.
Yeah,
I didn't realize 1 घंटा हो गया यार. Actually.
I also didn't realize. We're having fun.
So my question to you, and then there'll be more questions that perhaps the audience will ask. My question to you was, how did you realize something new this time that you read this scene?
Uh, yes and no.
Hmm.
Um, because the lines were not, I was reading them as we were going along. So, not connecting to them
Hmm.
as much as I did at.
Hmm.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you
Okay.
repeat that? I think some people
Yes,
might have
yes. What?
lost it. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but I'd lost you for a while.
Hmm.
हाँ थोड़ा. हाँ जी sir.
So I was reading them, so the lines were not mine. And though I was trying to mean what I'm saying, and in the process, it came out this way this time.
Hmm.
So I was
Hmm.
not trying to recall how I did that other one
That's the best.
in the actual thing. So if we do it again, it'll come out again different. So that was it. But I did realize while I read this that, it can be melancholic without being in a certain physical state.
Sir, just please do it one more time. Please
Okay.
do it one more time. You know the lines, just read them. मैं कुछ
Okay.
नहीं बोलूँगा because I think you're going to hit upon something interesting now. So can you start from मैं जो मैं हूँ in whichever way, obviously. Superb. Karthik is here on this chat as well, sir. Like he's here somewhere. Which is great. Okay.
जो मैं हूं और वो जो मैं होना चाहता था, ये अलग अलग लोग हैं, कभी एक ही नहीं हो पाए. बात ये नहीं थी कि मैंने लीना को खो दिया. उस दिन मैंने वो खो दिया जो मैं था। और अब मैं ढूंढता हूँ अपने आप को दूसरों में, हर वक्त ढूंढता हूँ, हर एक में, तुम में। कौन हो तुम मेरी बेली? क्या फर्क पड़ता है कि तुम्हारी कहानी में क्या होता है? मैं क्यों इंटरेस्टेड हूँ कि तुम न खो दो जो मैंने खोया है? तुम्हें मिल भी जाए तो मुझे तो फिर भी नहीं मिलेगी ना मेरी जीना। You
Superb.
do better than me, kids.
Superb. Well done, sir. हाँ
No, so I
उसमें
think
but there was this thing that I've written please. Yeah, say.
नहीं, please, yes,
Over to you.
please. नहीं,
Is an
so
important addition that you made to the script. I wanted to say. That was your line.
which one?
Because you
Do better
used to
than
say it
me?
each time in improvisation. Please नहीं था पहले
Please.
वो
अच्छा, अच्छा, अच्छा,
आपकी
अच्छा.
वजह से आया.
You are very
Anyway, आप क्या कह रहे
actually.
थे?
You are very no. मैं ये कह रहा था कि there's a way to connect to it, and even in the first couple of takes, I didn't get there, and then you said, don't stop yourself, let it go, and you sort of, you're psyching yourself into it for a while, and there is a bit of a break from other things, and this is the only particular thing that you are thinking about, and it has a different way you connect with it the more you kind of spend time with it while doing that. So while I did that, I was playing all these memories, and that my the biggest memory that kept occurring to me was that sitting and having that drink before the end of the night, and I actually did that a few times at home without the phone, and it's
Ah,
yeah, you can really think of a lot of things at that time just before bedtime.
do you want to tell us particularly about any one thing that you thought of? That's a joke. Please don't tell us. We don't want to know.
No, but this was
So,
a vis-a-vis
yeah,
highway. There was in highway it was more as very it was very angsty and coming from the lack of being able to understand your own emotions. You have not analyzed it. Raj was much more sorted. He had figured a lot of it out and
yeah,
probably not
yeah.
faced it for a while so blatantly, but he had thought over it and he had moved on. And yeah, so there was a huge difference. Whereas Bhati never moved on. He was stuck there and he was not allowing himself to move on because it gave him a reason in the otherwise insignificant life that he had.
Yeah.
That's what I feel.
He lived and died in that. But also, let me say to you and to everybody else over here that in these two films, working with the same person, I thought I was working with two different people. My experience with Randeep Huda acting as Mahavir Bhati was a completely different person. I knew him differently. My relationship to him was different. Now, while doing Love Ajkal, it was like I was working with an actor I've never worked on before. I don't understand him. And it's a new person. It's a completely new. And then I said, yeah, matlab, you seem very different to me. And you said, yeah, it depends on the role. And I realized how much it happens. Like, as a director, you know that actors go through the feelings and characters of the characters that they play. But how much it is and how important it becomes and how influential it is something that I realized at that point of time. Because you were a completely different person in this.
In while playing Bhati, the insecurity of being a have-not, and I really looked at everybody on the set, and I mostly wore my costume all the time. In fact, I told Aki not to wash it very often. And you feel that I felt I couldn't even stand next to anybody because I felt like I smelled, or that inferiority complex about everything. It got to a point where in Kaza I'd had those nuts, and I was crying in my hotel room screaming, and you had come and sat next to me on the bed, and I was saying all kinds of really nasty things. So that was the Bhati, you know. Because there's
Yeah.
going to be a break just before that, because that pass was closed and Ali had to go shoot something for something else, and I was so loaded. That was actually that, because we were traveling all the time and I drove the truck a lot of time. It gave me physical aspects of being in a different socio-economic zone than I am. And while doing all this, if you're physically involved in the things, you know, it gives your body, your sense memory, yourself a different thing. So Bhati was very inferiority complex kind of guy, and I started somewhere. You know, there was a time when, you know, I was sitting there going, "Hey man, ये होती है method acting." So that stumbled upon that, and it happened through a lot of things. You know, a lot of things.
Right. So here we want to take some questions. अगर आप लोग कुछ सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं रणदीप से,
मेरा ये चल
दोनों
नहीं रहा यार,
कैरेक्टर्स या फिल्म के,
स्क्रोल।
क्या नहीं चल रहा है? स्क्रॉल नहीं चल रहा। मैं आपसे पूछ लूंगा सर, if you can
हाँ
hear
जी,
me.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
क्योंकि I can, Highway was a superb movie. Pooja is saying, I'm waiting. Okay. What happens? How do you solve it? Hi sir, could you please explain to us the relationship between Mahabir and Veera in Highway? यार आप वो कैसे बताएं, इतनी जल्दी तो होगा नहीं. If you have to, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी जा रहा है यार, मैं भी नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ.
अंग्रेजी
Why
मेम
did
और
you
उसका
divide Veera's
नौकर।
mono?
अंग्रेजी मेम और उसका
हाँ.
नौ। I had another very wonderful way to describe it. I've forgotten now. Very short, in a one sentence.
कोई पूछ रहा भाई हरियाणा से दूध लाऊं के?
ना भाई रेड दे दूध की गला, तू कोरोना भी लिया होगा।
Yeah, but try to think of this. Try to think of this
The Veera,
one
yeah.
sentence. Sorry to.
So it was basically have and have not that governed everything about them. It wasn't not human to human feeling that was of any lacking over there. It was how to cross that boundary of have and have not.
सर एक इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल है, थोड़ा इनोसेंट है, बट आईड लाइक टू एड्रेस इट. दीपक सिंह राजपुरोहित पूछते हैं, सर मेथड एक्टिंग के बारे में बताइए. मेथड एक्टिंग क्या होती है?
मेथड एक्टिंग काफी अब्यूज्ड टर्म है. आपको बहुत केयरफुली इसके बारे में बताना चाहिए. आई थिंक मुझे बताना चाहिए. मेथड एक्टिंग का बेसिकली मतलब ये है कि अगर आप ये घड़ी पहनते हैं तो आपको वो घड़ी उतारनी पहननी जैसे आपकी अपनी जैसी घड़ी हो आनी चाहिए. उसी चीज को आप आगे ले जाइए. जैसे कि अगर मैं टाटा 407 चला रहा हूँ और इतने शॉट्स में चला रहा हूँ और कैमरे के साथ इमोशन पे चला रहा हूँ, और व्हाट द स्क्रीन प्ले हैज गाइडेड माय कैरेक्टर टू बी, तो मुझे उससे पहले टाटा 407 सिर्फ ऐसे ही चलाना की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए, जो कि मैंने की. तो जब आगे कैमरा भी लगा था फट्टे पे, 5 लोग भी खड़े थे, मैं ट्रक चला रहा था, तो उस वक्त जो मैंने प्रैक्टिस की थी ट्रक चलाने की, एटलीस्ट उसके बारे में मुझे चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं थी, और मैं स्क्रीन प्ले फॉलो कर रहा था. तो मेथड एक्टिंग का बेसिकली मतलब होता है प्रैक्टिस. उसका मतलब
Hmm.
रट्टा मारना नहीं होता, प्रैक्टिस होती है। आप जिसको आप जो करने वाले हो, जैसे आपकी कोई चाल है, या आपको कोई बीमारी है, या आपको कुछ आपके कुछ आप कुछ कपड़े पहनते हैं किसी तरह के, नए जूते पहन के चलोगे और तुम्हारे अपने जूते होंगे, उसमें फर्क होगा। तो वो सब अपनी तरफ, अपने चारों तरफ वो दुनिया बनाने को मेथड एक्टिंग है।
So, Pratusa Malik is saying, Imtiaz sir, why do you divide Veera's monologue into three sub-scenes, 29 ABC? So because in this scene, there were some visuals that were coming in between. Like वो कह रही है, बात कर रही है, इनका scene चल रहा है, and then there is a certain visual that breaks away the visual continuity of the scene, and then you go back to the scene. So I wrote it like this. You know, I just wrote it at ABC because there would be the excerpts in between. So that's just a technical thing. It's not important actually. It just depends on how you communicate to yourself.
In the scene that we read out, like the Veera, where I read out Veera's parts, in that scene, I remember that I am eating and she starts us. I ask her, "Khana khale?" You know, I'm just telling her off there, "Khana khale kya hai? जाना है अभी ना." I'm thinking कि I have to do this. रात को ज़्यादा लंबा चलेंगे ताकि लोग कम
हाँ,
देखेंगे. I want to do that, and she
हाँ,
starts with this till she gets to a certain point
hmm,
where he gets it. He doesn't get it in the
हाँ,
beginning. There's a point
हाँ,
that he gets it, and then I completely stop eating because I am also uncomfortable about what she's saying, and I can't believe कि उनकी दुनिया में भी ये होता
yeah,
है.
exactly. Yeah, ये बहुत
और
बड़ी बात.
that listening to her, I am actually, I think, in a blur shot or something, but it's not that I'm just sitting there and मेरा तो shot ही नहीं है, नहीं. I am listening to her very intently, take after take after take, and your co-actor should feel that you are paying attention, so that
Yeah,
it helps the scene, because there is two of you, or how
of
many ever
course.
there are of you. So listening, I feel, was the biggest tool I had to use in Highway a lot.
But listening anyways is such an important thing. Like if you listen right, it just comes through most of the time, right?
Yeah, yeah. In fact, I am very bad with lines. So I just know the other person's lines also. Like I know them, I don't remember them. But I know that when he says this line, this is my response. So this is what I will think. So usually that line is
Yeah,
written according to that.
correct. Just looking for more questions. ये थोड़ा trying to see if there is anything worthwhile, I'll ask you on their behalf here. Honey Pannu says big fan Randeep ji. हाईवे सीक्वल के बारे में कुछ सोचो नहीं यार, ये करेगा नहीं अब फिर से.
I summed up. I summed up Highway. I summed up Highway. Sorry,
हाँ, great,
अच्छा,
great. हाँ, बोलो तो.
एक कुछ ऐसा था कि चोरी करने निकला, गलती से किसी का किडनैप हो गया, उसको घर नहीं जाना था, भाटी की गांड में गोली लगी और वो मर गया.
Beautiful. Superb.
I remember that scene when I'm convincing her, कहा करोगी मेरे साथ, मेरे संग, क्या ब्याह करोगी? When I'm trying to push her off to that. That was a very good scene. And I also remember another instruction of yours, which I kept in mind in Highway. If you talk about how the character, there was a couple of places you said, "नहीं sir, आप hero लग रहे हो." That I did not take it as कि मैं hero हो गया, नहीं. I took it as कि I am posturing like a movie person and not being bhati. So I purposely, then would strike or take a body position which would seem like a person just of that kind of thing and not a film actor.
Correct. So lots of things.
I remember coming to Kashmir after the break, and you came to our place where we were staying, And you looked at me and says, "Ki, ab to young lag raha." I said, "Really?" So I lie down in the sun and had a whole bottle of vodka to look like shit again.
क्या करे सर, आपकी हैंडसमनेस बहुत परेशान करती है सर. When is your next movie with Randeep? Hopefully soon. Okay, now Menezes Samuel Stallone is asking something. Imtiaz, how close is Randeep character to your backstory in Love Ajkal 2? Because it felt personal. He's a very intelligent, very perceptive individual you are, sir. Menezes Samuel Stallone. I do remember, without getting into personal details about Randeep and myself, but the fact is that when Randeep read this story, or when I told Randeep, if you remember, I told you this story, and you got up and hugged me, and that is what it was. And I was very anxious that you play this part, and you see that there is something to do in it, and you just got up and hugged me, and I could feel that even while I was talking to you, I could feel that I'm like it is that you are talking to you. I'm not talking.
I don't know whose autobiography this is.
Neither do I. Neither do I.
No, but I think what point that you had made and what we discussed about was that in an age when there was a lack of porn and lack of communication and no social media and making phone calls was such an issue, and to be able to see someone, we were so separated as the two sexes that our only goal as such became, yes, obviously proximity, but it all translated into, scoring as such sexually. But now the difference that you pointed out, which is very apt, that now there is accessibility and everybody knows everybody's pictures, this, that, you can hook up. It's not so segregated now as it was 30 years ago. So now people are looking for meaning.
Yeah.
And as I do get affected by some roles that one does, I'm also looking for meaning. So that was a big challenge, and that's what I actually connected to. That after you reach a certain experience, you feel that there is more to it than all of that.
So, sir, with those golden words, I think we should call it a wrap because it's been twice the amount of time I thought it would take. We've been at it for an hour and a half, and we couldn't go on
I can't believe
forever.
people are on it for an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I'm so glad of that. I've never done this before. In fact, I do not find it necessary to, talk about the process. I think the result is what we all aim for. All have different ships. There is no one way of doing anything.
But also the thrill of the work that we actually do as actors and directors, Randeep. I wanted to present a bit of that to an audience apart from the film industry, for people to know that this is what brings us to this work.
It is the best work in the world.
Yeah, that's true. See you, sir.
All right, brother. Take care.
Thank you very much.
See each other soon.
Thanks to everybody.
In my love
and
to
here
Ida.
is Ida is here. Ida. Oh, wow. Here she is.
Hi, Ida. How are you?
I can't hear him.
Oh, hi, Ida. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you. Bye.
This was a very good session. I saw some of it. Very good, yeah.
Okay.
Great. See you, brother.
See you, man. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much. Thanks to Ida. Thanks to Nikki. And bye. Bye, guys. I'm sorry if I couldn't take too many questions. Hopefully, we'll have more such sessions, different times, maybe with different personalities about different films as well. Let's see. Thank you very much. Bye.